We're gonna have some Paschettis. You excited? Paschetti. Let's see. What do you have? How is that? You like it?
Hey Troy, what's up?
Mommy forgot to cut up your beans.
I'm sitting down to dinner right now. What's up?
My goodness, that's good, huh?
Can I call you back in 20 minutes? Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
Honey, get him.
Huh?
He's okay. Alright. You alright?
Why'd you hit me, Dad? Why'd you hit me?
You gotta slow down on those chunks, you. And keep our eye on the baby when we eat. You got Paschettis? Do you like the noodles? Mommy likes the noodles too. What do you have? Cut the noodles really small, but they must not be small enough. What do you have? What is that? It's a Paschettis. Are some of those meat chunks too big? Let me see. Break these down a little. Yeah, that one was too big. There we go. There we go. Now it's a good size for babies. Look at them go. How is that? Is it good?
I know, fast enough.
Is
The
it?
first time I gave him ground beef last week,
good?
it was just handfuls. He wasn't even stopping. He was just going and going.
Food. Alex, you want some cheese? A bit cheese? Okay, we'll take an after picture later. Ready? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.